This is Snack Size Stories, and a verdict has finally been reached in the Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard defamation trial. Now, this was a pretty unusual verdict because both parties were found guilty of defamation to a degree, but Johnny ended up getting a vast majority of the winnings. Let's go ahead and roll some clips here of the verdict being read in court for the first time, and just watch as Amber is just staring at the ground in a dejected way while these verdicts are being read. It's pretty great.
Mr. Foreperson, is this the verdict of the jury?
Yes.
All right, is it unanimous?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Jamie?
In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Mr. Depp's claim against Ms. Heard. 1. As to the statement appearing in the online op-ed entitled, "Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change." In the Washington Post online edition, quote, "I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change," end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. 3. As to the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled, "A Transformative Moment for Women" in the Washington Post print edition, and the online op-ed, "Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change," in the Washington Post online edition. Quote, "I had the rare vantage point of seeing in real time how institutions protect men accused of abuse," end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes.
So there we heard that the jury has found all elements of the defamation are present here. That usually includes that a statement was made, it's attributable to Amber Heard, the contents of it are defaming in some way or another, and since Johnny Depp is a public figure, they also have to prove that the statement was made either knowing it's false or with a reckless disregard for its truth. And then finally, they have to prove some damages. So all of that was met. Here's the damages being read.
As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $10 million. As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $5 million.
I do find that the jury's verdict is unanimous. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes your service in this case. I want to thank you again for your dedication and your hard work during this trial. And I know I speak for everybody here when I tell you that we appreciate your sacrifices and your time and your public service in this matter, okay?
So Johnny Depp ended up winning $15 million in total for his damages based on Amber Heard's defamation. And that's thanks to a big part in the witnesses his team brought in to testify as to what roles Johnny lost because of this article and what his paycheck would have been if he did get those roles. And here we're seeing Johnny Depp's team finally be able to celebrate their win. This case is finally over. After years of developments, months of preparation, all those hours of work is finally paid off. It's great to see them all embracing here, smiling, celebrating their victory. Unfortunately, Johnny Depp wasn't able to be present in court today because he's too busy being a rock star in the UK with Jeff Beck, but hey, I'm sure he's celebrating pretty hard over there in the UK.